The other day, we had a drive-in movie theater. Today, we're having our very own roller coaster. Today for lunch, fajita shrimp.
Ooh la la.
That's that shrimp that we got from Eldana.
Yeah.
Got some avocado, some bell pepper, and some shrimp. Obviously shrimp.
Some onions.
Some onions too.
Get a couple of it.
Good.
Hello guys. Hello guys, I have a racket. I'm about to play.
You like the shrimp fajita?
No thanks.
What do you got at the racket?
I was going to play tennis ball with Jacob.
Hey! Calm down. The other day, we had a drive-in movie theater. Today, we're having our very own roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
This right here, this is gonna be my roller coaster. All right, RC's Adventures roller coaster. And this is where we're gonna have the roller coaster. I know what you're saying. You're saying, Jeremy, how are you gonna make a roller coaster right here? Well, I got a green screen and I got a PS4. That's how. I got some VR goggles. And I got a roller coaster game. You ready, Jasmine?
Yeah.
Or do it. Whoa! Are you ready for this experience on a roller coaster?
Yeah.
Let's do it. High five.
Hold here.
What's it? Hello.
Is it fast?
Hello. Someone doesn't have my hand. I'll be scared.
Lie awake at night? Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender? Try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out out of here. Bet you can't move on. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out. Treat the dead. Get out to me anywhere but here.
What's he going to do to me? No. I'm in the lava.
Something good to come, waiting for things to run away from. Are you?
Oh, watch out, don't get eaten.
He says I'm going in there. I'm
Into the
telling.
fire, talking like you never die, like you're immortal. You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape.
It was a nightmare.
Were you brave?
Yep.
What was it, scary?
Nope.
You were scared, but you did it so well.
No, the sound. Yay!
Wow, Jasmine, you went through the whole thing?
You're brave.
How was it?
Wow.
Are you happy?
It's the air.
Did you get scared?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you like it? You wanna do it again?
No.
Everything's recording.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Joshy. Thank you.
Daddy, I love the game.
You love the game?
Yeah, but if it's so creepy, I'm brave.